Presentation application to technology company. And my name is John Alex Diaz Oispo. Experience. I had more than 5 years experience in the technology sector, especially software development and product management, changing management. I like to find new alternatives to optimize process. Y Strategy analyze and solve problems by working as team. A skill for the role, a layer short, leading with color and more things. Decision maker, a strategy decision maker based in that a day to change, adapt better to change and innovator, a take game. Why I go fight for the role in can breathe value valuate to your company. I am passionate about technology and like to let my biggest challenge is to improve it myself every day. Hear me, let's go. Thank you.